નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, સ્વાગત છે આપ સૌનું. હું દીક્ષિત પટેલ, મર્ચન્ટ એન્જિનિયરિંગ કોલેજ બાસણાથી. આજે આપણે વાત કરવાના છીએ વોટ ઇઝ અ ગ્રોથ આઇડેન્ટિટી. બરાબર, પાર્ટ 1 છે. એના અંદર એક્સપ્લોરેશન નંબર 2 છે કે ગ્રોથને કઈ રીતે તમે આઈડેન્ટિફાય કરી શકો. તો એના વિશે વાત કરવાની છે. તો જોઈએ આપણે એક સ્મોલ વિડીયો છે કે કઈ રીતે ગ્રોથને તમારો મેજર કરવો. તો સૌથી પહેલા વિડીયો જોઈએ આપણે.
Mr. KV Kamath is an eminent banker and one of the founding members of ICICI Bank. And now let's look at his career journey. He built his foundations in mechanical engineering from NIT Karnataka and also got his training in management studies from IIM Ahmedabad.
MBA.
When he entered his career, he was hired by ICICI and started working in the project finance department. Seeing his entrepreneurial potential, he was given exposure to work in different departments of project finance where he learned to run the business end to end. While initially, though his focus was on project finance and he was moving across departments, he later also started expanding into different areas of banking, which helped him strengthen his capabilities in finance. As he managed bigger responsibilities, he simultaneously built his general managerial capabilities like building teams, meeting regulatory requirements from RBI, dealing with investors, etc. He initiated and implemented a computerization program that made possible many banking activities online and user-friendly for its customers. Later, he got an opportunity to join an Asian bank where for 8 years he handled projects from various countries such as China, India, Indonesia, Philippines, Bangladesh, etc. And with this new gained knowledge and experience, he was back in ICICI as MD and CEO. He reformed and expanded the retail lending business in India by introducing financial products which made lending and borrowing easy for consumers. Within just 2 years, he acquired a series of non-banking financial companies and strategically merged them to form India's largest private sector bank, known as the ICICI Bank. When he wanted to launch an online trading platform for its customers, the IT companies asked him for a minimum of 2 years for setup. In his search for an alternative solution and better technology, he traveled to New York to attend a 2-day tech conference where he learned about the 90-day rule, a system which they followed to bring a product alive within just 90 days. This really struck him and he immediately implemented this strategy into the finance business. After coming from the conference, when he directed his team to execute the online trading project in 90 days, they were a bit hesitant to work with such speed. He found ways to challenge his team and change their mindset by unleashing their capacity to accomplish much more. Later, as the business grew to build capacity, he wanted to raise funds but couldn't do so in India as the markets were down. He found a way to raise capital by getting the company listed in the New York Stock Exchange, making it the first ever financial institution to be listed there. His ability to read the market early and take decisions, often with limited information, helped him to take such bold steps in spite of the doubts raised by many. Throughout his journey, Mr. KV Kamath kept opening up and building his abilities in many new areas, which led to great accomplishments in his life and in the banking sector.
તો તમે જોયું કેવી કામત કઈ રીતે બેન્કિંગ સેક્ટરમાં આગળ વધ્યા. એક મિકેનિકલ એન્જિનિયર હતા. મિકેનિકલ એન્જિનિયર તરીકે એમને આગળ જે રીતે વધાર્યા તો તમે જોઈ શકો કે જે સૌથી નાનું સર્કલ છે એમાં યલો કલરનું તો મિકેનિકલ એન્જિનિયર છે અને બીજી સ્ટડી કરી મેનેજમેન્ટ સ્ટડી એટલે કે MBA અમદાવાદમાંથી. પછી બીજું મોટું સર્કલ થાય છે અને ત્રીજું મોટું સર્કલ થાય છે. તો આ રીતે તમારો ગ્રોથ તમે ડિફાઇન કરી શકો, આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરી શકો કે તમે કેટલો ગ્રોથ એચીવ કર્યો છે. બરાબર, તો આ રીતે તમારું ગ્રોથનું મેનેજ કરતા રહો. તો તમે પણ આ રીતે સર્કલ બનાવતા રહો અને વિચારતા રહો કે તમે કેટલો ગ્રોથ એચીવ કર્યો છે. બરાબર, તો આ રીતે તમે ગ્રોથના પછી જોઈએ.
Let us see the life of the Indian athlete Milkha Singh.
મિલ્ખા સિંઘની.
His journey began by building capacity to become the country's best. After being selected from the army for special athletic adopted them. In 1958, he won gold medals from the Asian Games and Commonwealth Games. He then went on to build capacity to become the world's best. He trained to push his limits to improve further. He would run on all terrains like hills, high altitudes, etc. In 1960, in the Olympics at Rome, he came fourth, breaking the then Olympic track record.
તો આ રીતે તમે બંનેનો ગ્રોથ જોઈ શકો છો.
Let us look at the story of an
Mukesh
Indian
Prajapati,
innovator, Mansukh Prajapati, and his journey of growth.
મનસુખભાઈ પ્રજાપતિ.
Mansukh Prajapati, a potter from Gujarat, made earthen pots the traditional way. Since the money he earned was not enough, he started doing other jobs like tile making and bricklaying. Through these jobs, he learned to work with clay in different ways. This was the phase where he developed in his skills of pottery as well as clay making. But he didn't stop at this level. Inspired by a tile making machine, he created an innovative equipment to make earthen pots faster. Earlier, he could make only 100 a day. But with this new technique, he could produce 700 earthen pans per day. This increased his production capacity. With a new grown confidence, he quit his construction job and started his own business and began experimenting with clay. One such experiment was an innovative terracotta filter with a ceramic candle. He sold 500 such filters to an international vendor. Thus, he grew into the next level of capability, from a potter to an innovator and a business builder. He not only applied his expertise in pottery to build innovative products, but also scale and mass produce them. The next turning point for him was the 2001 earthquake. It destroyed most of his stock. A Gujarati daily featured his broken clay filter with the caption, "The poor man's broken fridge." Instead of losing hope, this comment sparked off an idea. He thought, why can't I make a fridge out of clay for people in rural areas? He immediately began working on these ideas. After 4 years of experimentation and hard work, he successfully launched Mitti Cool refrigerators. They functioned without electricity and were priced at Rs 2,500, making it affordable for people in rural areas. He spent the next few years in taking this product and several such affordable solutions to people across rural India. This was the next level of his growth. He grew in his concern and directed all his innovations and business skills to find solutions to solve the problems of people. He isn't ready to stop growing though. His next challenge is building the Mitti Cool house, an eco-friendly house that runs without electricity. He says the first model will be ready soon. This is the next step in his journey of growth. With tremendous faith in the power of clay or mitti, he has taken up the vision for affordable housing and is working towards making it a reality. Thus, Mansukh Prajapati is a great example of someone who developed himself step by step and continuously kept growing in his field of clay making.
તો આપણે જોયું મનસુખભાઈ પ્રજાપતિનું ઉદાહરણ. તો તમે જોયું કે મિલ્ખા સિંહ, both these people continuously grew to deeper level in their own chosen area. બરાબર. મિલ્ખા સિંઘે શું કર્યું? who took up athletics and then kept pushing him limits to grow into deeper level for expertise and capability as an athlete. મનસુખભાઈ પ્રજાપતિએ શું કર્યું? who in pottery and clay making choose to go deeper and grow into an innovator entrepreneur. બરાબર. તો આના ઉપરથી એ ઉદાહરણ તમને મળે કે મિલ્ખા સિંઘ અને મનસુખભાઈ પ્રજાપતિએ એકના એક વસ્તુ ઉપર ફોકસ કર્યું અને એ વસ્તુના અંદર એમને ડીપરમાં ડીપર ઊંડાને ઊંડા ઉતરતા ગયા અને એના કારણે એમને સફળતા મળી. બરાબર. એમની જે ભૂલો હતી એ ભૂલો એમને દૂર કરી, એમને જે અગવડો પડતી હતી એ અગવડો કઈ રીતે મનસુખભાઈએ દૂર કરી અને પછી મિટ્ટી કુલર ફ્રીજ બનાવ્યું. તો એ રીતે તમે કંઈક અગવડ પડશે તો એના પછી કંઈ સોલ્યુશન મળશે. નહીં કે આપણે કહેવત છે કે જ્યારે શોધ જ્યારે થાય છે એ શેના કારણે થાય છે? કોઈક અગવડ પડે છે, બરાબર. તો અગવડ એ શું કરે છે? શોધનો જન્મદાતા તરીકે છે. કંઈક ના કંઈક વસ્તુ તમે શોધી શકો. બેઝડ ઓન બોથ ધીઝ એક્ઝામ્પલ ડિસ્કસ વોટ ડઝ ઇટ મીન ટુ કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી ગ્રો ઇન્ટુ ડીપર લેવલ ઇન અ chosen એરિયા. એક્સપ્લેન ઇન યોર ઓવન વર્ડ્સ. બરાબર, તમારે તમારા પોતાના શબ્દોમાં આ રીતે સમજાવવાનું છે કે કઈ રીતે તમે કોઈ એક ફિલ્ડ પસંદ કરો છો અને એના અંદર ઉતરતા જાઓ છો અને એને તમે વ્યવસ્થિત રીતે પાર પાડો છો. હાઉ ડઝ ધ લેવલ ઓફ ચેલેન્જીસ એન્ડ કેપેબિલિટી બિલ્ટ એટ each લેવલ ઓફ ગ્રોથ ચેલેન્જ. હાઉ ડઝ ધ લેવલ ઓફ ચેલેન્જીસ કેટલા થાય છે, કેપેબિલિટી તમે બિલ્ડ કરો છો each લેવલ ઓફ ગ્રોથ ચેન્જ તમારા. વોટ આર ધ બેનિફિટ ઓફ કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી પુશિંગ ઓન સેલ્ફ ટુ ધ નેક્સ્ટ લેવલ ટુ ડીપ ટુ ગ્રો ઇન ફિલ્ડ. બરાબર, તો તમે પણ આ રીતે તમારી જાતને કઈ રીતે તમે ગ્રો કરો છો એનું તમે એનાલિસિસ કરી શકો છો. અહીંયા એક સ્ટેપ બતાવ્યું છે, તો પહેલું પગથિયું, બીજું પગથિયું, એ રીતે તમે પણ તમારા સફળતાના પગથિયા જે છે એ તમે એક બદલ એક પાર કરતા જાઓ છો. બરાબર, તો અહીંયા સુધી રાખીએ છીએ આપણે.